Buying a secondhand car can be a smart way to get a reliable vehicle at a lower cost, but it's essential to approach the process with caution. Here are some do's and don'ts to help you buy the best secondhand car. Do's. Research. Take the time to research different makes and models that fit your needs and budget. Look for reviews, reliability ratings, and common issues for each car you're considering. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on a used car, including factors like insurance, taxes, and maintenance costs. Inspect the car. Before making any decisions, thoroughly inspect the car both inside and out. Look for signs of damage, rust, or wear and tear. Consider getting a professional mechanic to perform a pre-purchase inspection for added peace of mind. Check the vehicle history report. Obtain the vehicle identification number, VIN, and use it to run a vehicle history report. This report can reveal important information about the car's past, including accidents, title issues, and maintenance records. Take a test drive. Always test drive the car before making a purchase. Pay attention to how it handles, accelerates, and brakes. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations that could indicate mechanical problems. Negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to negotiate with the seller to get the best possible price. Use your research and any issues you found during the inspection to justify your offer. Don'ts. Rush the process. Buying a used car is a significant investment, so take your time and don't rush into a decision. Avoid feeling pressured by pushy sellers or time constraints. Ignore warning signs. If a car has obvious issues or the seller is unwilling to provide information, it's best to walk away. Ignoring warning signs could lead to costly repairs down the road. Skip the paperwork. Make sure to complete all necessary paperwork when buying a used car, including the bill of sale, title transfer, and any warranty documents. This will help protect you legally and financially in case of any disputes. Overlook hidden costs. Remember to factor in additional costs like taxes, registration fees, and insurance premiums when budgeting for a used car. These expenses can add up quickly and impact your overall budget. Forget to consider future maintenance. Even the most well-maintained used cars will require regular maintenance and repairs. Before buying, consider the potential costs of maintaining the car in the future and whether it fits within your budget. By following these do's and don'ts, you can increase your chances of finding the best second-hand car for your needs while avoiding potential pitfalls along the way.